Hello and welcome. I am Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady and Principal Owner of Everett Tax Solutions and ETS Tax Relief. And with today's video, we're going to talk about 2023 filing deadlines. There is a list of them, y'all. Okay. So first of all, if you didn't make your Q4 estimate, that was due January 17th. And that was Q4 for 2022. Now, the IRS will open for e-filing for everyone January 23rd. So what that means is that there may be people that have that are eligible for hub testing. That means that the IRS is accepting a few returns ahead of time just to make sure all systems are working. But they will be open for everyone come January 23rd. And for entities, for businesses, they started on January 12th. Okay. The next deadline, March 15th, is for my S Corps and partnerships. You must file your taxes or request an extension. The failure to file penalties for S Corps and partnerships, I do believe, has gone up to $210 per month per partner for up to a year. But if you do the math, that can be some serious money. Okay, so request an extension or file your taxes by March 15th. For individuals, that the deadline is April 18th to either request an extension or file your return. Now, for that April 18th deadline, that does not extend the time to pay. That is a serious, we've been trying to get this straight for years. It is only for filing the paperwork. So if you know that you have tax due or you normally owe, you definitely want to send something before the deadline so that you can reduce the amount of penalties and interest that you owe, because the interest is compounding and is added every day. That interest can get really expensive depending on how much you owe. Now, there are also disaster deadlines that are still out there. For Hurricane Ian, for instance, the filing for 2021 taxes was extended to February 15th, 2023. So there are still some people out there needing to file those 2021 taxes. Now, again, with the payment, though, the payment was still due back in April. All right. And then there is another one for like all the mudslides and whatnot that are going on. For those areas, that is May 15th, 2023. That's for tax year 2022. So the thing there is, if you're in a disaster area, or if you have clients in those areas, you definitely want to make sure to check with FEMA, check the IRS website to see if there are any extended deadlines for those affected areas. Okay, so that's it for the deadlines, you guys. Listen. If you even have a question about whether or not you're going to get your tax return filed on time, there's no harm in requesting the extension. Now, you have to either request the extension yourself or request that your tax professional request the extension for you. Tax professionals cannot just extend your tax return without your permission. We can get in trouble for that. So even though an extension can seem harmless, if your tax professional does it without permission, they can get in trouble for that. So you want to make sure that you either request the extension yourself or you let your tax professional know that you need to file an extension. Okay, so that is it for those deadlines. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all next time. Bye.